Hello, David Finch. First off, if you're watching this video because you purchased a fire ring and you're looking for some assembly instructions, I thank you. If you haven't purchased one yet, there'll be a link in the description, or you can go to finchfabrication.com, and Finch being like the bird, F-I-N-C-H, fabrication.com, and you'll be able to see what I've got available there. There's a page for fire rings. But if you've already got one and you're looking to put it together, this is an 8-sided panel, or 8-sided, so octagon fire ring. I also sell 6-sided ones. So the assembly instructions, you will have a stack of your 8 panels, or 6 if you got a hexagon. You also have a bag full of hardware. You will need either 2 1/2-inch wrenches or a substitute. Keep in mind, you don't have to torque it down a lot. This is limited. And the only thing that you need to do to make sure that your assembly goes successful is with 2 panels, they point up. The bent tab is to the right. So the only thing to be successful here is that the bent tab goes behind the non-bent tab and they both face up. From there, it is rinse and repeat until fully assembled. On the last panel, I try to get all the bolts and nuts started before I do any sort of snugging with them. There is your 8-sided bit. You don't have one yet. From flat to flat, this is 50 inches roughly. A 6-sided pit has the same width of panels. It's the same panel design. The tabs are just bent a little bit more for a hexagon instead of an octagon, and it is a 36-inch from flat to flat. So basically from here, if you didn't assemble it where it's going to be, you should assemble on a flat surface, and then take either yourself or preferably 2 people. You can lift it up, and you can then put it where it needs to be so that it's in a safe spot for burning. Not much more than that to it. Again, if you're looking for the assembly instructions, thanks for buying one. I hope it brings you and whoever you happen to sit with a lot of joy. Other than that, just thanks once more, and thanks for watching. Any questions, comments, feel free to post them.